In our first lesson about ad-desh, we saw some examples of how to use ad-desh in the Levantine dialect. Today we will continue and we will see more ways to use ad-desh. Yalla, let's start. To ask how long something will last, يعني the duration of time, here you will say ad-desh middet. If you are asking how long the length of something, here you will use ad-desh طول. Let's see some examples. So if you want to ask about the duration of time of something, you will say ad-desh middet. Midde, as you see, it has ta marbuta at the end. It's pronounced usually as a or e. But here we pronounce it as ta because it considered as idafa with the word that it comes after it. So we have to pronounce it middet. And after you will say the thing that you are asking about. For example, the show. The show, il-arad. We have to use the article il attached to the word that we are asking about. ad-desh middet il-arad. How long is the show? ad-desh middet il-film. How long is the movie? ad-desh middet il-ijtimaa. How long is the meeting? ad-desh middet الرحلة. How long is the trip? But if you are asking about the length of something, here you would say ad-desh طول. And after you will put the thing that you are asking about, of course attached to the article il. ad-desh طول الطاولة. How long is the table? ad-desh طول البناية. How long is the building? And etc. We use ad-desh middet to ask only how long something is going on. But if you want to ask someone how long you will stay, or how long did you stay, or how long did you study, all this, here you don't need the word midde to be followed after ad-desh. You will just follow it directly with the verb that you are asking. So you could, if you want to ask someone, how long did you live in New York? You would say ad-desh عشت بنيو يورك. ad-desh عشت. How altogether it is how long did you live in New York? Be New York. You could follow it also with the verb درست, studied, سكنت, you lived, and all these different verbs that you ask about duration, how long someone did something. So if you want to ask how long did you study in the university, you would say ad-desh درست بالجامعة. How long did you study? ad-desh درست بالجامعة in the university. ad-desh عشت بنيويورك. ad-desh درست بالجامعة. If you are asking about the future, you will just change the verb to the future. So, for example, someone is going in a trip and you want to ask how long you will stay in your trip. In Arabic, you will say قديش رح تبقى برحلتك. قديش رح تبقى, how long you will stay. برحلتك, in your trip. If you want to ask how long have you been doing something or being somewhere, here you will use the verb صار after ad-desh, and you will conjugate it according to the person that you are asking about. So if you want to ask how long have you been in Istanbul, in Arabic you will say قديش صار لك بإسطنبول. قديش صار لك here if you are talking to a man. If you are talking to a woman, قديش صار لك بإسطنبول, in Istanbul. If you want to ask how long have we been waiting, here you will say قديش صار لنا عم نستنى. قديش صار لنا, how long have we been. عم نستنى, we are waiting. قديش صار لنا عم نستنى. If you want to ask how far, here you will use ad-desh with a verb in Arabic. To ask how far something is, in Arabic we use a verb according to the thing that we are asking about. So if we are asking about a masculine place, we will use يبعد. If we are asking about feminine, we will use تبعد. So for example, how far is the beach from here? you will say قديش بيبعد الشط من هون. قديش بيبعد how far is. الشط the beach, and it is masculine in Arabic, that's why we use بيبعد. من هون from here. But if you are asking about a party, الحفلة, now it is a feminine word. Now you will use تبعد. بتبعد. You will say قديش بتبعد الحفلة من هون. How far is the party from here? قديش بتبعد how far is. الحفلة the party من هون from here. قديش بيبعد الشط؟ قديش بتبعد الحفلة. But if you are asking how far we are from the party or from the beach, here you will say قديش بنبعد. We are far. We will use the we are far بنبعد من الحفلة from the party or من الشط from the beach. So the point here, you have to change the verb بيبعد according to the thing or the person that you are asking about. قديش بيبعد masculine, قديش بتبعد feminine, قديش بنبعد we are far. If you find it so complicated to use the verb يبعد, you could just say المسافة. قديش المسافة. How much is the distance? And after you use لا, and after this you will put the thing that you are asking about. قديش المسافة للشط. How much is the distance to the beach? قديش المسافة للحفلة. How much is the distance to the party? It's simpler. قديش المسافة للشط. قديش المسافة للحفلة. To ask how often something happens, here you will say كل قديش. You will use the word kill before ad-desh, and after this you will use present simple in Arabic. So you will say كل قديش بتروح على النادي. For example, how often do you go to the gym? كل قديش how often بتروح you go على النادي to the gym. If you are talking to a woman you will say بتروحي. كل قديش بتروحي على النادي. How often do you eat fish? كل قديش بتاكل سمك. If you are talking to a man. كل قديش بتاكلي سمك if you are talking to a woman. كل قديش how often بتاكل masculine, تاكلي feminine. سمك is fish. كل قديش, and after present simple. We use the word ad-desh sometimes in the Levantine dialect, and it won't mean a question, like saying how beautiful, how comfortable, how difficult is something. So just to express our feelings or our reaction towards something. So if you want to say how beautiful, you could just say قديش حلو. And if you want to exaggerate about this, you could just say مو معقول, unbelievable. مو معقول قديش حلو, how much is beautiful. مو معقول قديش مريح or مريحة. مو معقول قديش مريحة هالصوفاية. It's unbelievable how comfortable is this couch, or unbelievable how difficult is this exam. مو معقول قديش صعب الامتحان. مو معقول unbelievable قديش صعب how difficult الامتحان the exam. So sometimes قديش is not a question. For sure, there are so many different ways to use ad-desh in the Levantine dialect. I didn't cover all of them today, but what we did today should give you an idea about how to use ad-desh in the Levantine dialect. Use what we learned today in examples, leave me a comment and I will correct them for you. Now let's go over our words for today. How long is ad-desh مدة? How long is the show? قديش مدة العرض? How long is the movie? قديش مدة الفيلم? How long is قديش طول? How long did you live in New York? قديش عشت بنيويورك? How long did you study in the university? قديش درست بالجامعة? How long will you stay on your trip? قديش رح تبقى برحلتك? How long have you been in Istanbul? قديش صار لك باسطنبول؟ How long have we been waiting? قديش صار لنا عم نستنى؟ How far is قديش بيبعد؟ How far is the beach from here? قديش بيبعد الشط من هون؟ How far is the party? قديش بتبعد الحفلة؟ How far are we from the party? قديش بنبعد من الحفلة؟ How far is قديش المسافة ل How far is the beach? قديش المسافة للشط؟ How often do you go to the gym? كل قديش بتروح على النادي؟ How often do you eat fish? كل قديش بتاكل سمك؟ How beautiful is قديش حلو؟ Unbelievable how beautiful مو معقول قديش حلو. Unbelievable how comfortable is this couch مو معقول قديش مريحة هالصوفاية. Unbelievable how difficult is this exam مو معقول قديش صعب هالامتحان. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked today's video, share it with your friends and give me thumbs up. If you want to see more questions about Levantine dialect, you could check it over here. If you want to see more phrases, you could check them over there. See you there. Yalla bye.